Yes, banga soup recipe. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect banga soup. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is to be adding my protein to my pot, already boiled protein. Then I'm going to be adding my already extracted banga juice to the protein. Then I added my crayfish. I added my grounded pepper. You can use pepper mix for this. So I'm just going to stir that. Then I added my banga spices, my seasoning. Then I added my salt. So I'm just going to give this a stir. And I'm going to go in with my catfish. You can use any fish that you have, but I love catfish in banga soup. So after adding in my catfish, I'm just going to cover it up and let it come to a boil. So after boiling it for about 20 minutes, you can see that it has taken up. So I'm just going to go in with my other protein, like I'm going to be adding in my periwinkle. So after adding in my periwinkle, I'm just going to cover this and let it boil for about 2 minutes. Then our soup is ready. So you can see that the soup is ready and it's already looking good. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.